Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to transfer money from Wise to Zelle. Since Wise and Zelle don't connect directly, the process goes through your bank account. First, make sure your bank supports Zelle and that you've enrolled using your email or phone number. Then, log into your Wise account and head over to Balances. Choose the currency you want to move, click Send Money, and select To My Own Account. Now, enter the bank details of the same account that's already linked to your Zelle profile. Confirm everything, enter the amount you want to transfer, and finalize the payment. Once Wise delivers the money to your bank, you can open your bank's app or Zelle app and send funds instantly through Zelle to any contact. Depending on the bank, Wise may take a few minutes to a couple of days to deliver, but once it's there, Zelle makes the transfer almost immediate. And that's how you use Wise to fund your Zelle transfers. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.